Hi, I'm Johannes Becker. I'm a senior here at Southwestern University, kinesiology major.
Hi, I'm Caden. I'm also a senior here at Southwestern, as well as a kinesiology major here as well.
And I'm Malachi. I'm an upcoming junior here at Southwestern, and I'm also a kinesiology major.
So for our surf research, we mainly focused around load carriage and how it affects the body physiologically during exercise.
Load carriage is a common task that is seen in everyday life, but particularly in military, first responders like firefighters, EMS personnel. Due to like improper load carriage, there's like also fatigue, like poor posture, and also just kind of at risk for some injuries. Not you can make injuries, but at risk for them.
We have these occupations that are carrying these heavy loads, and so the main thing here is like how that load can be limited via exertion, how to make it easier for the people in that occupation so that they're able to reach the site and be able to perform at their best. So for our protocol, 2 visits, we'd have the first visit for the participant where we'd schedule them to come in for about an hour and 45 minutes. And what that would compose of is initial measurements. We did blood pressure, height, weight. And then after that, we'd get them on a DEXA scan. And then during that visit, we'll also do a VO2 max test, and then we'll do some strength assessments. So then during visit 2, for that visit is going to be the load carriage stuff. 2 trials, one with a backpack with 30% of their body weight, and one with dumbbells plus the backpack, still 30% of their body weight in total. So it's distributed 15% in the hands, 15% in the backpack. We saw that hand and back were actually more exerting, more fatiguing for the participants compared to all in the backpack.
We can see that if a firefighter, for example, was holding all of the gear and all the weight and things like that on their torso in a backpack, for example, that would be easier and more efficient for them when compared to distributing weight into their hands. So that means whenever they're doing some of these hard tasks like climbing up stairs or, chopping down doors or something like that to save people's lives, they can be more efficient and they can have less fatigue when they're doing these tasks.
I would say this was a success because we were able to get some good experience in the lab, and then also being able to conduct research. It's really cool to be able to work with numbers, work with people to get better numbers and stuff like that. The experience of working in this lab, learning how to use these different tools is very beneficial. I learned a lot. It was very interesting.